Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode, we are going to be learning how to update your Likee application to the latest version. To update your Likee application to the latest version ensures you have the newest feature, bug fixes, and improved security, so let's jump right into it. If you're an Android device, open up your Google Play Store. If you're an iPhone, open up App Store. Now go to the search bar and type in Likee. Look for the Likee video live chat application, this one over here, and check if there is an update button available. If it is, you can simply tap on update to update to the latest version of the app. If you only see open, that means your app is already updated to the latest version. After tapping the update button, you will download and install the newest version of Likee. Just make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi or have enough mobile data for the update, and that is it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.